Gardening classes, cultivating knowledge and skills. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, gardening classes. This phrase might seem simple, but it's packed with meaning and cultural context. So, let's dig in and unearth the rich layers of this common English expression. The phrase, gardening classes, is made up of two words, gardening and classes. Gardening refers to the practice of growing and cultivating plants, typically in a garden. This can include flowers, vegetables, fruits, and herbs. The word, classes, refers to lessons or courses where people learn about a particular subject. So, when combined, gardening classes are courses where people learn about gardening. These classes can cover a wide range of topics, from basic plant care to advanced landscape design. Gardening classes offer numerous benefits. They are a great way to learn new skills, whether you're a beginner or an experienced gardener. These classes provide practical, hands-on experience and can cover various aspects of gardening, such as planting techniques, soil preparation, pest control, and plant care. Furthermore, gardening classes are often a social activity, offering a chance to meet like-minded individuals and share experiences and tips. There are several types of gardening classes available. Basic gardening classes focus on fundamental skills and knowledge, perfect for beginners. Specialized classes might cover specific areas like organic gardening, floral design, or vegetable gardening. For those looking at a professional career, there are certification programs in horticulture and landscape design. Additionally, many communities offer seasonal workshops that focus on activities relevant to the current season, like preparing a garden for winter or starting a spring vegetable patch. To find gardening classes, check with local community centers, botanical gardens, or gardening clubs. Many universities and colleges also offer courses in horticulture and gardening. Online platforms are a great resource, offering both free and paid classes that you can take from the comfort of your home. Remember, the availability and types of classes may vary depending on your location. We hope this video has helped clarify what gardening classes are and why they might be interesting and beneficial to you. Gardening is not only about growing plants. It's a way to grow your skills, knowledge, and community. Happy gardening and learning! Remember, every day is a chance to grow a new skill. See you in our next video.